106.3 yakwa ya sanya ba kasma makuma kudunum na fei nonkoro wabon adanju adane ne ye sha se na na me ye ka sada moto tricycles helmets ye ja to agum e ma ne sai kwa ne kwa akanwuram fi 2016 besin na akanwuram a esaye na yɛne mpanimpa da no sesei ɛbɔ nkɔmɔ sɛ bia afei na wadwan ne yɛn a tie dɛn na yɛne ne kasa yɛ no deɛ ɔka yɛ.
Okay, thank you very much, Captain Smart. At the end of the day, tricycles, no, they were procured. The total number, no, yeah, about 5,000. Or motor this tricycle during the time of FADA, Savannah Accelerated Development Authority. I want to add way in 2016. Our main agenda is say, I want to cobwa, low income earners. I bet me you say kujuma and then small transportation, any bibisa. But one unfortunate thing is before the machines were bought, then FADA entered into a PPP agreement. A private company, and the private company was called Unique Savannah. The Unique Savannah entered into a public-private partnership relationship with FADA to sell the motorbikes to this Kuafo and then low-income earners, so that they will sell these motorbikes to them and bring the money and give it back to FADA and then take their commission or profit out. Unfortunately, the partnership between FADA and Unique Savannah and Chakra and FADA who say corruption be bam, and because of that, partnership agreement, FADA abrogate partnership agreement. What were the corruption things? We have two reports that are supporting that. The first report was given to us, reporting management committee set up by FADA to look into the sale of the tricycles. The second one is a report, formal complaint laid to Yoko that Unique Savannah was cheating FADA in the sale of that. How was the cheating going on? The cheating was that people who paid, Unique Savannah went around all the then 3 northern regions and had agents who would take the motorbikes, sell them, bring the money to Unique Savannah and Tamale, and they'll give it to FADA. Unfortunately, people paid for these tricycles to these agents. They never brought the money, and some people also caught the tricycles without paying for it. So this thing was going on until the change of government came. And when the government, the new government came, the NPP government came, remember, the president, His Excellency President Nana Addo Akufo-Addo, asked Parliament to make a new law to establish the now Northern Development Authority, which was going to take over from the Savannah Accelerated Development Authority. Yes, we know. But prior to that, now the Minister for Special Development Initiative, is our mother ministry. Then our mother ministry even saw the problem with the motorbike and also set up an interministerial committee on report. And in that report, it was very clear that the motorbike, there was corruption inside. Then the Regional Coordinating Council and the Northern Regional Coordinating Council took over the security of the motorbike until the Northern Development Authority was brought in. And then we also waited for the governing board to come in play to advise us. Thank God, when the board of directors came in, they immediately put in an ad hoc committee to sit on this motorbike to see how we can, first of all, the terms of reference was to see how we can retrieve this. It's not only the tricycles. We also have hydrophone bricks making machine, we have Mahindra tractors, we have corn shellers. All these things I can tell you during this period.
Okay, and see, Openi Stephen Mbete, Nidino, Mbe, Anna Ende, Mbe, Derby, okay, one more tron online on Betron ye, Neboni Hunkakra, Quadeti. Didn't Bonnie who pa and netre. Anona Yenene Casayano. Now, Openi Steven, Solomon Latte, na project manager ma Unique Savannah Limited. One a babeto muse a tricycle sini adi omutimene sada kabo mwa omkakraba ye jalate otemi kamaching.
Good morning, Captain Smart.
Na pacho bibia boko de.
Nyame Adom bibia boko.
Good.
That was any friend.
Yes, we had say a friend wa waji and so ye share ade na se ya na ye pese ekowie ase na ye hu bebi free. Pacho Unique Savannah Limited a company ben ya moye den.
Okay, first of all, no, Unique Savannah Limited, no, a joint venture between SADA, which is Savannah Affiliated Development Authority, any another private company, from Unique Designs Limited. And yeah, Unique Savannah, no, a joint venture company. It's not rather Papa no OSP is a PPP, no. And the structure of Unique Savannah is such that the private company, no, ekita 60% stake or shares, and SADA also kita 40% shares of Unique Savannah. And to no buy and a formal company FN Unique Savannah.
It is SADA and a
private company they FN Unique Designs Limited.
And Unique Designs Limited.
Yes.
No more
together.
Okay.
Yes.
And I'm not Unique Savannah Limited.
Yes.
Okay. And Momo was 60%.
Yes.
And a SADA
was yes.
And a SADA was 40%.
Exactly.
But then when a Momo was 60%, and a SADA was 40%. No.
Good. So basically, no, the vision of the joint venture, no, was to bring these tricycles, new motorbikes, was to bring them into the Savannah areas. I think it's about 64 districts of the three northern regions by then. And then to bring it to the people and then give it to them on high purchase. But because it is going to have some profit connotations in terms of OD tricycles, no man, profit be at the end of the day. And SADA is not a profit making. So they are not too interested in any profit. They are interested in how you get a tricycle to come alleviate poverty and come and help people. But because Unique Savannah is a private company, you know, that is how come we have to form a joint venture. To be able to, both parties will be satisfied one way or the other.
But your tricycles, motorbikes, the account, now when they triaka.
The arrangement was that SADA by then will give a bank guarantee. It was a SADA Emma bank guarantee. Emma Unique Savannah Limited. Now Unique Savannah Encofa tricycles no every China and bra.
Okay.
And the bank guarantee was supposed to span for 1 year. So that by that time, Yabema tricycles the amount for air to it's just a guarantee. So that in the process amount for air to and we are with the guarantee a bed 1 year and any guarantee we that can is back.
And Mamentias a sudden Ecoma bank guarantee. Na Unique Savannah Limited na Mone SADA I'll go into a joint venture no Moma Kokra and Yamanaba.
Yes.
Meaning that number one city enim. Okay.
Arrangement only say bank guarantee now. It was a private company who invest into the infrastructure of the operation.
There be Matthias here, and bank guarantee na SADA de mano na for the total cost, right?
Of the tricycles, yes.
Ni na SADA na bank guarantee no.
Yes.
Into one way or the other, SADA na triaka.
Yes.
Fantastic. And na mo kofa ba na mo abeton.
Yes, and he say my guarantee for tricycle no. Say other operation activities say your office juma cars, the bibia no. that one will be a responsibility of the private company.
I know the Matthias here because who to company now who expects is buying a better car in office.
Exactly.
And I know the young fan on tour, young share tricycles, no. It's no Saturday, Sikanum bank guarantee in Mamu. Now I'm the quarter tricycles in a bar, and I'm about 2 years for 60%. No.
No, your operation cost no.
Pacho to boss na tell me question na say. Wo your company to say multimedia. You one na say we see wo office. Now we talk cars, we follow staff and all the logistics that we be here there year juba. Pacho say sa na tie.
Yes, sir.
Fantastic. I know the anya sada na be ma usika.
No, yes, sir, never mind.
Mo musika ana beautiful. And na sada no akọ joint partnership.
Yes.
Say me pese wo kra ade we ma me. Na mom no me ma bank guarantee na chese me asada na me tuaka enti koto ade na fabra na wakofa ba na ade na wakofa ba na wo se moton wi a mom be fa 60% na sada fa 40% ana anya sa
yes sir
na sa ba na say opani say yes sisie me chirem na menti ase
me pacho enya sisie because who say sada rona is the guarantee in terms of management ni a unique savannah and oh and say suddenly omuro no play from the beginning is the bank guarantee I can't the project continues to go where it's supposed to go no bema tricycles no out now you guarantee no but up and downs going operation ni bibia and so those things were factored into the 60% consideration.
And that's more me kwakra de wo de mama sika sakra bra na ton ma me na wo no mama wo ton ma me no mo mfa so no mo 40% mo fa 60 na mo de 40 ama say your operational cost say where's your office what to car na ade ntina wo fa na say the menti ase
as chire ni say o share 40% be cost that na automatically the deductions be en komu bi mo. Oh, say, Odio 40% more, no. But Odi 40% more now. I feel na operational activities ni other things you have committed, other investments you are committed for the to Ephraim. Oh, and so because we are the one doing the operation in I feel Betty and Ephraim as Ansana Ebia Ebibeka ama investors no. That is why the 60% has been considered.
Bank guarantee no na a warranty for how many years?
For 1 year.
Just 1 year.
Yeah, renewable basically. It was filed for 1 year, but it was renewable.
Renewable to what extent?
Yes, cost do 1 year now, so we are not able to redeem it. Can another 1 year.
More upper warranty limiter. Muntimin go beyond.
No, beginning a 1 year, but it is renewable because Makaipa say, bedroom 1 year, no. CEO, no, unique Savannah CEO, no, any Chinese what in here, ma more extending guarantee no more.
Okay, Matthias here, pa. And you know, bank guarantee ne buy no monsaka sikani na kokrabaye.
Bank guarantee no tina, let me crack. Tricycles no. The bank guarantee no say yantuaka physically for the tricycle. The guarantee was raised from the bank to support it. And the bank guarantee no buy no. And if I nya kwan aircraft tricycles 5,000 pieces. Any motorbikes about 2,000 pieces eba Ghana. But
that total cost no you're saying so kaya.
It is I think it's around $8 million.
$8 million. That's about 49.5 million Ghana cedis.
Yeah, as in today's value.
As in today's value will be 50.4.
Yes.
Because as of that time now, more Canada dollar near 5 cedis 22 pesos.
That was in 2015.
That's right, 5 cedis 22 pesos. I remember that one. Okay, thank you so much then. Into Ebane saying, and a sika over 45 million Ghana cedis. More kraba na the any room.
Okay, the operation I starting no. Me I mean business plan for the operation. No. I developed the business plan. And the operation was such that we should give the tricycles on high purchase to the people within the Savannah area, which covers between the three northern regions and some part of Brongahafo and Volta region by then. And I started operation around September 2015. You see, I started operation, which means that we started giving out the tricycles around September 2015. And the arrangement between Unique Savannah, which is the joint venture, any side and he said, Unique Savannah will be a particular account at GN Bank. And as far as bank accounts, sales now air banner, tricycle sales now air banner. You bet the operation, your operational expenses framework. They are coming in a GN Bank, for the redemption of the LC. Sikama ebe babia ye the GN Bank for the redemption of the LC. So me, as the project manager who is in charge, that was exactly what I was doing. Say, ye disika abreya, ye disika every field, straightforward to GN Bank, we don't have, our project no. We are not signatories to that account. We don't find that account. We don't know what happens to that account as far as the project operation is concerned. And see, that was what we were doing. To somewhere December, 24th December, exactly 24th December 2015. Nikaipa said around 3 p.m. Now we were filled. Me issue tricycles now for. And I received email from the then Sada CEO say we should stop work immediately for an audit. That was that time. Jumani stop here.
It's now more stop pay for audit.
Yes.
Every year, being
24th December 2015. That was when the email came.
And audit no yen besi na.
Audit no dey say e be come audit na yes e be start immediate audit no on 24th December 2015 I am a notice no. It was February 2016 before I frame me free in crime because me were cry but because of project number 2 continent tamale. And your man sign information to the 4th December 2015. It was Christmas and the break is and I break here and I party in your ever go in crime. And to meet your class, I didn't want to go to Tamale because me person on the can say we are there trying to cover our back or whatever. Me back class me forward. Me man call Tamale. Me now see office couple. And on February 19th to 2016. And I'm afraid say I find our auditors no more by the omu person omu ni call Tamale.
Latte nyabotre. Mwaka tricycles ne motorbikes ne niyama aka ni na a good demo a esesa mo de ma farmers na won betimi de aye adwuma na mfa so ba so ne yetimi tua bank guarantee no from 24th December na so mbeye audit no won mo ambeya kosi February date be mpacho kan biom
February 19
February as I from say won mo aba
Captain, weapon there is not an issue.
Okay.
Me see every Sun 19th, up to December 2016, you go to your audit back on.
Audit the shas 19 February 2015 no. Ebedu 2016 date ben.
You go see until the election time. You go see your audit back when you come meetings until the election time. Election by you fit am review.
Patranya bia no be di moja bia fra Mercury ana.
The whole thing is there was an allegation. This is the truth. Say me was project news as a project manager. So that CEO was say project news was well thought. It was a well thought project. I can the freedom because. What we were doing was just that, or maybe you are just 1,000 Ghana cedis for the tricycles as initial deposit. And that one will go for the registration of the tricycle, for insurance, for your helmet, your life jacket, and those kind of things. That's all. Utia no, like amount tricycle no. I was also 25 Ghana cedis every day for 1 year and now 1.5 years, depending on the volume I over here. That is all for the person, and that was how we were operating until somewhere in July they brought somebody from London. That is the cousin of the Sada CEO. He was the one who came to cause this whole mess before God and man.
Nyabutre, CEO no kofa ne brother free London by.
Yes.
So then.
He became the general manager. I say, now me was project manager as a project manager. And I'm catch them say, they are bringing somebody to come and help me. And you all buy and you're general manager. But before God and man, Obet enough for any of my marketing officers are minimum Juma. Papa will never say Bibia.
Oh, yeah, then or say no.
Number one, to summarize the whole thing, that very 24th December, now Papa Numa Indo say, Yenfa a human na to form. Na mini that guy no enya to kwa wo yard no mu eto kwa nyina ni say eya okwajiska ho amanfo ho say ono beti na facilitate tricycle amount mu
hey
oh yes ena oh
sada CEO ni nua na okofa ni free London buy no
yes
okwajiji sika ho nkrofo ho
mi pacho
so be mo tricycle
me evidence nyina make media amamo anytime you call me because these issues must be settled once and for all
okay
adia na mu can say corruption. Oh, it's a corruption woman, Captain. Every 2016 up to date, with these intelligent people on board, I want to me identify corruption, including Yoko, the corruption woman. But the thing was that the real problem. The problem was that the project was stopped on an alarm by Sada CEO because ye manu kwanya adwuma aka opeso ye no ye manu kwan se oye ena wako ka kire minim ya wako ka kire ni anka ana ni anka so ni buefu a wo send ta email no mi ena mi kai pa sa ye o send email no captain project man ye no the recovery rate after the time they stopped the project was 65%. Now ye sika ye gigi chama for we are around 65%, and by that time we are gearing to bring another technology that will help me monitor my marketing officers outside Tamale. Okay. So I'll be able to increase my 65%.
Yeah, time on inti. Pacho wakra now that was Tamale. Is it possible see a one-on-one our studio?
Oh yeah, I can come.
Okay, yeah, no be arrangement after the show. And then now Abana Dwaso Monday. To Ubana gather all the evidence, all stuff I want put them together.
You'll be surprised.
I want to be surprised.
I think I dare winning now you'll be surprised, Captain. And when Yamuka no.
Hey,
Yamuka no, just what they have written down.
Okay.
When they came, they didn't consult me. Nobody consulted me.
Okay, that's okay. So you don't worry. We'll bring you back to the studio on Monday. Now one-on-one. Now for yet me about Sankom on why?
All right. Okay.
And that was Mr. Solomon Latte, project manager. Project manager, my Unique Savannah Limited. One way Kokras our tricycles ready by no. I know I will catch over $8 million near the Kokraba. I can't with them. Eguso say. I send some more. So I say Sada CEO no Kano 2015. I no kofa ni nua fi London by kokofu bobo unua woman ye bobie ti akofa ni nua ba nyame na mekan yo papa na ko say Sada CEO ni nua no na begu adwuma no o magu no aban sika kan wuram we ye besre yoko ni BNI papa no beba otiewe din bi obebo bia no makofa nipa no obodin number 1 no makochi din number 1 obodin number 2 no machi din number 2 ye ne saa ebeba nipa ye ma hyehye omo na me dem sese yoko dem suro won COP edupoku na obechewo etu de mame fancy ha emredinti mame fa Fabɛwɔso no nsi ha na minka ose Franco Trading Enterprise Pan African Savings and Loans Vitamilk and afi Greenfield Scientific Herbal wonum ne so asene a ye de Fabɛwɔso brewo ye da ne ho ba ye ba empensem
Jim FM 106.3 top.
Only God can stop us now.
106.3 FM. Jim FM 106.3 top.
Only God can stop us now.
106.3 FM. Jim FM.